Hey, D-pad game.
Then you got the AWD.
Good. Good. You badge mine today. Okay. I think that shouldn't look fine without it. Yeah. Oh yeah, you got the fishing line and everything. Okay, that boy official.
Some WD.
WD-40?
Yeah, some oil.
Let me see.
Oh yeah.
Voila.
Gotta use this for the adhesive.
The adhesive. Okay. Okay.
I don't want to go through what I want.
What? That's hilarious. Making an appearance. Got the first row. Golly. Ooh. And the last eye. Yes, sir. What's the next step of the process?
Moving this adhesive.
Okay, okay.
One of these.
Okay, okay. Alright, so we did as much as we could. I'm defeated. I think we're gonna go get that goopy gone, whatever it's said. And try and finish the rest. Too excited. Officially legal. Got the tags. Yeah. Day, man, big day. I'm so excited. I don't even know where to start. Well, first, I guess start with the obvious. Finally legal. Okay, big day, man. Officially got the tags, screws and everything on it. So, yeah, all I gotta do, get a little screwdriver, unscrew that, and put this new plate in. Oh wow, girl. Oh, we got a little pooper. All right, bang, we back. All right, man, I'm excited, bro. This is crazy. So it's finally legal. I can drive this car anywhere I want to. And yeah, I planned, I actually, started debadging the car last time, but I don't even know what happened. We ended up just not getting the adhesive off last time, so gotta finish doing that right now. Oh shit! Drop the screwdriver. Get that glue gone and make sure the adhesive's off so it'll look clean. Right now it looks a little janky. Big moment right here, man. Oof. Alright. Bang. And we in there. Show y'all how it looks. Super clean. But that's what I'm talking about. This shit looks so janky. I got something to handle that though. Keep the clean cloth separated from the dirty one. Keep this one over here. One more pass isn't that bad, honestly. Bet little progress for you guys. As you can see, the 5 and the 3 damn near on infinity to go. See how much we get through right now, but I feel like from back here you can't really notice, but once you get up on it, definitely got to get the rest of that 5. What you doing? Boy, little funny man. What you doing, mama? What you doing, girl? Oh wow, girl, you look so beautiful. The meeting is over, buddies. Gotta get back home, right, buddies? The meeting is over, guys. Sure your parents. Yeah, quick update. About to go pick up our girlfriend real quick. She's all the way East Africa. I was gonna pick up the G since I got the registration now, but just gonna take her car. So yeah, we're gonna go do that real quick, and after that, I think we have to pick up this tag plate from Fleetwood. I hope I'm saying that right. But yeah, over at his shop. So. God damn, boy. Almost there, man. You percolator? Ready to try it for the first time? Yeah, it was, right? Cool. Nice, man. First time trying it. Hopefully it's pretty good. Baby don't want to talk too much today. She's a little camera shy.
Thank you, people.
Yeah, the food over here. Ooh, it's pretty good. Yeah, I'm not going to record any of this because I am starving, but I will tap in after.
Just noticing that's more common lately.
We're watching a show and shit, we're gonna go. Zombie day, bro. Zombie day. You got the fucking show, bro.
Oh, too close, too close, too close. PTR. Scared to get close to the wall. Like I'm gonna crash my car for real. Dang, crashed it. Oh my god, that is crazy. The damage on this game is insane. I love the way it sounds though. You can hear the gear shifts clearly.
I can put on my head.
I can't hit it this time. I gotta get this time. Ah, that was so close. So that looks like that 240 that has that one dude. I was about to buy from the one dude. So it's like, damn, that's just nice. Oh, let's see, E36. Damn, RX-8. That's my old car. Looking for his E36. Maybe I'm tripping. Something like that. I figured that was it. What's up, man? How you doing? Good to see you, man.
My hands are dirty.
Nah, it's all good, bro. Hell yeah. What you working on right
Nice
now?
to meet you.
AP. Hell yeah.
My E36.
Okay, nice. Yeah. Nice to see you, man. Appreciate you.
What car are you about to put in on?
The G35. Yeah. This is my girl's car and
You
shit.
didn't bring it today?
Nah. Try this again. We left Walmart with absolutely nothing, so I had to come back out to Kroger real quick. You know what I'm saying? Get a little couple things. The Chrome delete is complete. Oh my god, that shit looks tough, little boy. It is complete, sweetheart. Okay, that's hard. Ooh, all black? Tough. take it. That's just fun. Don't litter, kids.
That's hard. Yeah, don't litter, kids. God will not respect you. New decals?
Okay.
And look at that motherfucker shining, glistening. Hey, but look though. Look though. Look though.
We gotta show them when that's shining.
I ain't up close yet, so they don't know it's dirty.
Ah, he said.
They think this bitch clean.
That shit look clean.
Okay, we go to this mug right here. This big brother.
No cap, big brother going crazy. No, I think I got all my packages out the way. Oh yeah. I think that's for her. Oh yeah.
Yeah. Shit, put this in the L2 here. Go on.
My boy said he's ready to get right too. That's what he.
No, I want to do it. Let's do it.
Oh yeah, sorry about that. Appreciate you, man. Nah, for sure, stop, man. Boom. So, quick little update. About to wash the car. About to slap some stickers on it. Gotta move it around real quick. So, that's what I'm about to do. About to move it up. Boom, let's get started. Gotta clean the inside of it. I literally have not cleaned, detailed the inside, big ass bug, of the car since I bought it. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm about to plug this extension cord up and we're gonna clean the dash, all the surfaces, and then vacuum it out real quick. Ooh. That's pretty much everything I can get. See, it really ain't that much. Lucky guy ain't got a big back seat. Take a break real quick. Look what I see. What a good boy, he ain't in my wow. New stickers going on. Camera's on 3%, so I'll probably have to finish the rest of my phone. Don't really know where I'm gonna place these yet, but figure it out real quick. That's the middle. Don't tell me I have to hold the bag. Feels like the middle. We're just gonna go with it. It's not the middle. Nice. Decal? That's tough. I didn't make it easy. That looks about right. Maybe a little bit bigger of a space. Looks about right though. What do you think on